Welcome back to the vlog, episode number 5. This weekend we're going to Victoria, BC. It's Canada Day. We wanted to celebrate in the capital. As you can see behind me here, Erin is preparing food. We're making all of our food in advance so we don't need to spend more money than necessary. It'll also be a lot more convenient. We can just come back to our campsite and have some ready-made meals good to go. So thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoy the show. Not be getting on this ferry. We are moving, and that is a good sign. Hey, we're getting on the boat. We're excited. Can you tell? Arriving in Victoria, back to the dungeon where our vehicle is parked. We just arrived at our campsite at Goldstream Provincial Park. It's about 20 minutes outside Victoria. We managed to get the very last spot in the entire campground for this weekend. It's Canada Day, super busy. We owe it all to Erin.
You're welcome.
Just woke up in our campsite. Rained all night and it was pretty cold. And now we have zero motivation to get out. And the umbrellas. Found parking in downtown Victoria, and we're gonna go explore the city. We're now in downtown Victoria to the House of Parliament behind me. The building was erected in 1897. We're just sitting down for lunch on a beautiful rooftop patio. This is Fisherman's Wharf, and you can see all these floating homes behind me. It'd be a pretty cool place to live. So we just got into the city and we were concerned that there was going to be no parking, so we came early. Almonds, chocolate chips, and milk.
today is Canada Day. What better way to celebrate than with some cake, of course. Have some cake with me. Have some cake with your friends and your family. Have some cake for what has been and what we can become together.
Flag.
We're here downtown Victoria, getting ready to form the largest living flag. And we are decked out with these free t-shirts that we waited 2 hours to get. To the beach. I'm gonna cool off with the swim. Way to the railway trestle, just like you'd imagine from the movies. Pro tip, if you need an adrenaline rush, don't bother bungee jumping or skydiving, just walk across an old train bridge. That'll do the trick. Just finished our hike in Goldstream Provincial Park. We're now on board the ferry, 2 hours ahead of schedule. Yeah, we got sunburned. Sorry, Mom.
Tea, sweet tea, sweet tea, sweet tea, sweet.
7:30.